my friends, this is FPS Cruiser again, and for today we've got a diamond ore and a diamond. They told me that these diamonds are too hard to crush, but I think that Big Mama, with 200 tons power, it's going to have an easy day. We will see. Let's start the show. First, we've got the diamond ore. This one managed to escape, but FPS Cruiser will crush you whatever it takes. We've got the diamond next. It took me about 100 to 120 tons of pressure to destroy the diamonds. As I told you, the Big Mama didn't have any problem. We just got a little bit of problem in the head. It's okay. I've got the Big Mama at third gear that give us the maximum of 200 tons power. I'm definitely going to keep this dust. It was really expensive. Don't get me wrong, guys. This diamond was factory made. The natural ones in this size cost billions. I'm not a billionaire, I'm just a worker. So I guess that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up. And as always, до свидания.